in 5 days time, I'm heading out on my big adventure on my NX 500. So I'm just prepping everything, getting everything on the bike, and just checking through, make sure everything's okay. So I'm just starting to load up a few bits and pieces. I want to take the bike out fully kitted, just to make sure I got the weight distribution and everything right. So some of the things I am taking, I should be taking a couple of double disc brake locks, one for the front, one for the back. So that will be going in here. A puncture repair kit, because that's just definitely necessary. A good spanner set. So they'll be going in. I've also got a few extra tools and zip ties and tape and all sorts of stuff, which is going to go in on the back. And I'm putting all the heavier stuff on the back because then it's right behind me rather than in the side boxes. So yeah, and obviously I have got myself a rechargeable pump. Very good little pump this is. I got it off Lazard. It was about 300 baht, so very good. So that's basically some of the kit I'll be putting in. I took the bike down to Khon Kaen the other day, on Monday, and I had a full service done on the bike, so it's all ready to go. And yeah, if I'm honest with you guys, I'm I'm a little bit nervous. It's the biggest ride I've ever done. I've not done a ride as big as this before. But yeah, I'll quickly just show you around the bike if you haven't seen the bike before. I'll quickly just show you around. So my bike is a Honda NX 500. It's just over a year old. It's done 4,500 kilometers. Now I will go through with you guys on some of the route where I'm going. I will be doing quite a lot of the Mae Hon Song loop as well, and yeah, the bike is all ready to go. I'll give it a damn good clean before I go, obviously. But yeah, so let's go back inside and I'll talk you through a bit of where I'm heading to and what we're going to be up to. So as I said, guys, it's the biggest ride that I've ever done. It's long distances. Total distance, I've worked it out, it's about 2,300 kilometers. Unknown mountain roads. Weather is obviously going to be a factor, whether it's going to stay dry for me or whether it's going to be wet. Obviously I've got weather, you know, all the gear I need to stay dry while I'm on the bike, and hopefully stay safe. Solo ride as well. I mean, I'm going on my own. I'm not going with a group. It's something I want to do personally and just challenge myself. You know, long riding days, a sore ass in the saddle, you know, and sort of things like that, really. And also the filming pressure as well, because I want to try and give you guys an experience of the north of Thailand, from my point of view on a motorbike. I will have a couple of GoPros. I'll have one which is fixed on the front of my helmet, so you will see exactly what I see. I should probably have one on the front of the bike as well. You know, just sort of filming stuff, and then what I'm going to try and do is compile a load of clips from that to give back to you guys as part of the vlog. Yeah, it's going to be a 9-day trip. It might turn into a few days more. I haven't decided yet. More than likely it's going to be definitely a big adventure, this one. Like I said, I am quite nervous about it. It's the biggest trip I've ever done myself. Never done anything major like this before. And I'm hoping to show you guys a lot of beautiful scenery as I travel through the north of Thailand, covering most of the Mae Hong Son Loop and surrounding bits and pieces. Now, I'll just put up in the corner here now, this is the places that I will be going and staying on my 9 days. So you can see the list here of all the places I'll be staying. What I'm trying to do with this is to cover some real good riding areas. Nan, for instance, is one of the best biking mountain roads in Thailand. So I'm really looking forward to that. And obviously the main bit I'm really looking forward to is the mountain road up to Pai. So guys, the mountain road to Pai is 130 to 135 kilometers. There are 762 curves and bends. Apparently it should take me about 3 to 4 hours to get up there. But I'm really looking forward to this ride, and I'm looking forward to getting up at the and stopping at a few of the viewpoints on the way up there, because apparently they're supposed to be quite fantastic. So I'm not going to drag this vlog out. I'm going to leave it until we leave in 5 days' time and take you along for the journey. I'm going to try and post every day if I can. It's not guaranteed because I might not have internet. If it looks like I'll have to post when I get back and obviously edit the footage, then that's what I'll do. But I want to try and do it so it's you know, a really good experience for you guys to actually see, you know, some of the north of Thailand. Here's the actual map of the route, or a rough route. The route may actually change a little bit, I'm not 100% sure. And yeah, that's about it for this vlog, guys. So stay tuned, join me on the biking adventure up through the north of Thailand and the Mae Hong Son Loop, and we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves, guys. Take it easy. Bye-bye.